All right, guys, so these next couple tips or tricks are gonna be related to gas and the gas door specifically. Now, the first thing I wanna let you know is, did you know that the gas door now is electronic and it's connected to the door locks? So if you have the doors locked, this won't open. But if you unlock the doors, you can pop this sucker right on open. Pretty cool, right? Now, the second part to this, I wanna pull you in. So on here, you're gonna notice that this doesn't have a cap, right? It's capless, and it's got a valve on it. So if you ever ran out of gas and you don't have a gas can, you're gonna need to be able to hold this open so that you can pour gas down into this. Now, Honda has built something in to help you out with that. If you come around to the back over here, when you get back here, there's actually a panel right here. And if you take this panel off, you'll find that there's the tire repair kit for the car. So since it is a hybrid, it does not come with a spare, but there's this funnel right here. If you take this funnel, this is designed to hold that open to where you can pour gas down into the car. A second part to this is, what if this gets stuck and you can't get it open? Is there a release for it other than just the door locks? And the answer is absolutely yes. In this same panel that we just took off, if you look back here, there is a yellow cord that you can pull, that when it gets stuck, you can pull this cord and it will release this to where you can pop it open.